Marketing is about to be transformed forever, and it's all thanks to Google AI Studio. So, this incredible tool combines the power of artificial intelligence with intuitive design to help you create personalized, high impact marketing strategies in minutes. Forget the trial and error approach. This platform adapts to your needs and makes data driven decisions a breeze. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Google AI Studio the right way, showcasing its features and why it's the ultimate game changer for marketers everywhere. If you're ready to revolutionize your marketing efforts, then let's head over and then try to dive in. So you can see in here my actual Google AI Studio. So for this one, we will be focusing on improving our website content and conversion rates. And I will also provide you with a free affiliate marketing training course. You can head over and see them on the description below. So for this one, it is good for practical business applications to increase the profits. So let's head over and then use this Google AI Studio for content improvement. So for now, what we can do is we can head over and then just try to share your screen with Gemini and receive real-time feedback. To do that, head over and then go to stream real time, and then you can see in here this. So as you can see, you can talk to Gemini, you can show Gemini your webcam, and you can also share your screen to Gemini. So for this, let's head over and then put right here is share your screen. Let's click on share your screen option and let's choose in here my actual browser. So let's choose in here my browser and click on share. And then from in there, if you see in here a connection failed option, just head over and click on this and click on this clear chat and then just do again what we have done earlier. Let's click onto this and click on share. And as you can see right now, the stream is live. So we should be able to hear now Gemini talking. So for example, for this, let's head over and see if they're hearing us. So AI, are you hearing me?
The user is testing a live stream and wants to see if they can be heard. They are asking the AI if it can hear them.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So can you see in here my screen? I'm actually on my Shopify website.
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you are on a website editor page, specifically the contact page.
Okay, so I'll show you a preview of my contact page, and it's also called a squeeze page. I will be asking viewers or visitors to actually put their email in exchange of something. So I'll show you what it looks like onto the search engine, and I'll show you what this page will actually look like onto their eyes. So let me just wait in here for a few seconds, and now can you see it?
Okay, I see that you are showing your contact page. You are showing me the editor, then the website page, and then back to the editor again.
Okay, so I want you to give me your input about how this page looks like.
The contact page has a simple design with 4 fields: name, email, phone number, and comment. There is a send button at the bottom of the form. The layout is clean and easy to understand. Is there anything specific you would like feedback on?
So, do you think that this particular format can attract buyers to put their email and contact information, or do you think it's simple? It's so simple that it's actually boring.
The contact page is simple and straightforward, which can be both a good and bad thing. While it's easy for users to navigate, it could potentially be perceived as boring. It's hard to say if it will attract buyers. Maybe adding more visual elements or a more captivating headline could make it more engaging.
Okay, so let me head back in here onto my customization, and I want you to help me design this page and transform it into something that viewers would want. Can you do it for me?
I can help you brainstorm ideas to improve the design of the contact page. Would you like to discuss specific visual elements, layout changes, or adding a different type of content?
Yes. So first things first, what kind of color do you think will suit this? My business is a nail extension business.
For a nail extension business, soft pastel colors like light pink, lavender, or a muted blue could be visually appealing and create a calming atmosphere. These colors can also evoke a sense of femininity and beauty, which aligns well with your services. Would you like to explore any other color palettes?
No, thank you. I will choose pink. But how do I change the color of this page into pink? I'm using Shopify.
Okay, it looks like you're using the Shopify theme editor. To change the background color of the contact page, you'll likely need to go into the theme settings. In the theme settings, you can usually find color options where you can change the background color. Would you like me to elaborate on any of these steps?
Oh yeah, I see now the color. So there's no pink here. How can I fix that?
Okay, it seems that the current color schemes don't offer a pink option. You can add a new scheme by clicking Add Scheme button. This will allow you to select a new primary and secondary color to your theme. Then, you'll be able to select it when editing your sections in the theme editor. Would you like me to guide you further on adding a new scheme?
I rate that a lot. Can you help me to do it?
Yes, I can definitely help that. Now that you have clicked Add Scheme, you'll notice there is a background color option, which currently shows #FFB4B4. To choose a pink color, you'll want to click that box. Then, you can use the color selector or input a hex code for the exact shade you want. Once you select the color and click outside that color picker tool, your chosen background color will be set for your new color scheme.
Okay, so I'll just head over and then apply this color scheme to this one, right? So how can I apply it? It will just put it onto the editing scheme option instead of choosing the scheme.
To apply your newly created color scheme, you'll need to go back to the page editor by clicking the left arrow next to Editing Scheme 6. Then you'll click on the page section you want to apply it to, and from there, select the scheme you want to use. After selecting that color scheme, the changes should be visible on the page. Do you have any other questions?
Change. Thanks a lot for that. I'll just head over and apply them on everything that I can see right here. So you can see that I am actually asking for a name, an email, phone number, and comment. How can I actually improve that in order to entice visitors to input their actual details? How can I get the visitors to put their details right here? Do I need to offer a free resource or whatnot?
Sure, I see that you are looking at a contact form and want to know if you need to offer a free resource. Is that correct?
Yes. Should I offer a free resource for that? And how can I do it right here?
Okay, it seems that you want to know if you should offer a free resource on your contact page and how to add it. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, whether or not to offer a free resource on your contact page depends on your goals. However, a contact page is usually not the best location for that. Do you want to tell me more about what you are trying to achieve so I can give you better advice?
Yeah. So I'm trying to get the customer's email so I can add them to my newsletter and add it to my marketing strategies.
Okay, so your goal is to collect customer emails for your newsletter and marketing strategies. In that case, it might make more sense to add a dedicated email sign-up form on your website rather than offering something on the contact page. Do you know how to add that form?
Yeah, so I will just want to remove this contact page and change it into that email dedicated page. So how can I rename this contact page right here?
All right, so it sounds like you'd like to remove the contact form and replace it with an email sign-up form on this page. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can do that by going to the Sections tab on the left-hand side of the screen, then clicking on the Contact Form section and removing it. You can then add a new email sign-up section. Does that make sense?
Seconds. I have in here a contact form. I'll just add in here a section dedicated for that.
Great, I see you have the contact form selected on the left-hand side, and you can now remove it with the Remove section button at the bottom of that menu. After that, you can add the email sign-up section you need.
So as you can see, Google AI Studio actually helps us to design our website in order to make it much more marketer friendly. So now that we're done with that, let's head back in here again to our Google AI Studio. And then let's head over right here to the prompt gallery. So on your prompt gallery, you can see in here a lot of prompts, but not all of them are actually utilized for marketers. So the key prompts that you can use is the marketing AI. So you can scroll down from in here and see it from there as well. Another option is to choose in here this blog writer because you can utilize it to generate blog posts as well as newsletter posts that you can use. So from in there, you can also see in here some sentiment check, so you can utilize all of these tools right here in order to help you with this one. So for this one, just head over and then use the actual prompt that you want. For example, let's use in here the marketing AI. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So put in here the product image that you want as well as the target audience. So for example, let's put in here teenager men. And then you can see in here the description. And then from in there, you can just click on this run option right here and it will run it. And it will give you a much more focused marketing description that you can utilize in order to make your product or your website much more good or much better than before. Now, from in there, you can also use a sentiment check that analyzes sentiment of your content, classifying it as positive, negative, or neutral from this product description. So the Google A Studio actually gives advanced features as well, which includes Gemini 1.5, and they also have in here this Flash. And for right now, it's only available for preview, the 2.0, the experimental, the Learn LM as well. Now you can also change in here the temperature setting, wherein the creativity allowed and the response, it can change it from 0 until 2 right here, and just change the temperature that you want. So while comparing the AI models, we actually see that Flash 1.5 and Gemini 2.0, and as usual, the 2.0 actually works a lot better. They have better input output pricing as well, uh, instead of the 1.5 Flash. So we all know now that Google AI Studio is a powerful tool for businesses to improve their marketing and content. So I encourage you to experiment with different features and find the best one for your needs. So on the description below, I will offer a free affiliate marketing training course. You can head over and then click on the description and then utilize it according to your liking. So thanks so much for tuning in. Google AI Studio is really changing the game. So whether it's step-by-step guide or ready-to-use framework, you can find it on the Google AI Studio. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights on AI, marketing, and productivity, and be sure to check out my other videos to stay ahead of the curve. You can see in there my playlist, you can head over and then explore that. Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.